It's going pretty well. So,
Can't have a bad
Alex,
day with a
my
name like
question
that.
here for you.
All right, go for it, man. Talk to me.
All right. All right. Thanks, Alex. Okay. So I just
welcome,
have
Alex.
a two-pronged question here for you. First and kind of foremost here, how do you kind of acquire semi-senior but not senior kind of mid-level staff, right? And then second off,
How do I get mid-level staff? Is the
how
question?
do you? Yeah, that's predominantly my question.
So like a director
right?
level
Because I
or a
don't have
manager?
manager level, right? Because
Manager you
I
can
have
run
an
ads
easy
for.
time finding. Yeah, that's true. But the kind of issue that I was having was, finding these mid-level staff that are qualified enough to do the position in the first place. I'm having
kind
a
of
really
business do you
hard
have?
time with it, right?
What kind of business? Do you have?
It's an accounting business.
Okay, got it. Do you need an accountant who's mid-level, like an accounting manager?
Well, kind of. It's I'm looking for somebody that has a CPA license or EA license, and
Yeah.
ultimately,
You're supply
I'm just
constrained.
trying,
Yeah,
or
I got you.
is kind of on that path, right?
Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
option one is go to the
So,
schools where they're on that path and see if you can create an not affiliate, but like a referral program for them. Plenty of those people want to have career opportunities for people who are in there, and that can create the farm system. That's thing one. Thing two is that you can also just do direct outreach to other accountants. What is your gross profit per accountant per year right now?
gross profit right now, it's probably, I'd say about 120,000.
Per accountant, right?
Yeah.
Okay, got it. And what's gross revenue for an accountant?
Gross revenue is about 200,000 ish, somewhere
Okay.
around there.
Got it. So you pay them 80, you make 200?
200.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah.
So I'm actually going to bet that right now you have a two-pronged issue, which is thing
Yeah.
one is you're probably undercharging, and as a result of undercharging, you're not able to pay above market so that you can attract the talent that you need.
Okay. Sure.
Yeah, I mean that's
that
right
sounds
now you're
pretty
running
accurate.
on 60% gross margins. For me, my rule of thumb with services is 80% or higher.
Yeah.
Right, so if 80 is the base,
Okay.
then we need to make $400,000 a year per accountant.
Yeah.
So you probably, what are your close rates for customers right now?
My close rates are around 80%.
Yeah, dude. 80% means you've got a for sure double, maybe a triple in pricing that's sitting right there.
Okay.
So you're supply
Yeah.
constrained,
Because-
and in a supply constrained setup and with high close rates, that's a clear, prescriptive, no question in my sleep, double, triple in price. And then that unlocks
Yeah.
an extra $200,000 a year, and all of a sudden you can go to those accountants and offer them 150. All right, and then you will get them.
Yeah.
And you're happy to do it
Okay.
because at 150, you're still making way more money than you're making right now.
Yeah, that's true. I'd be less busy too.
Great.
Yeah.
Where do we want to go from here?
But, yeah. So the kind of okay. So the other kind of question that I had, because my accounting business, it's a pretty traditional accounting business, right? We do the kind of standard suite of accounting services, right?
Yeah.
But kind of, I was just kind of curious how you would test, that pricing model then at that point, right?
What do you mean?
Because
You mean test the pricing model that I just said?
yeah.
Dude, you do the
Because
exact
right
same
now,
thing
I
you
feel like
currently
we have
do. You do the exact same thing you currently do.
Yeah.
Same pitch, and then right when you say the number,
Yeah.
you just double it.
Yeah.
That's how you do it.
Okay. Sure. Yeah. That
And
sounds
if you
good.
don't close as many, guess what? Doesn't matter. You're supply constrained anyways.
Yeah. Yeah. True. Okay. Yeah, because again, to double or triple price, I think I remember watching one of your YouTube videos. To triple price, it's kind of a mind blower, right? For me,
Yeah.
right? Because we do a monthly reoccurring model, right?
Yeah.
Where it's
Yep.
and I think that it's a crazy value, right? That we offer.
Well,
to
you don't think
most
it's that
business
crazy because
owners,
you're not
right?
willing to charge more for it.
Yeah, true. I guess, right?
You're not selling me very well right now. I don't believe you.
Yeah.
If you thought it was that good, you would charge more.
Yeah, that's true. But yeah,
You got to put your money where your mouth is right
yeah,
now. You're just a talker.
Yeah, yeah. That is the point, Alex, right? But to
Yeah.
be quite fair, you think about it, these small to medium-sized businesses is what I'm ultimately, kind of fixated at, 500,000 to $1 million. And,
Okay.
ultimately we just offer this bundle package, right?
Okay. A commodity.
Of doing their taxes at the end of the year.
Yeah.
We do the bookkeeping, and then we do
Yeah.
their payroll on a monthly basis, right?
Uh-huh.
So,
Are you going to try to
in this,
sell me on
in
the
this
way that
bundle
you're?
package.
Let me pause you for a second. One of us is
Yeah.
going to win this sale. You or me. Your current way of doing business is why you called, which is that you can't get talent, you
Yeah.
can't scale because you're supply constrained. You're closing 4 out of 5 people that you talk to.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to
Yeah.
keep having that?
No, I'd rather not be supply constrained, right? I'd
Then
rather
don't
be
sell
able
me.
to,
Then
hire
don't sell
people
me.
adequately.
Then don't sell me and don't sell you
Yeah.
on your problem.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, true.
You got to change to change.
Okay.
Right? You're
Yeah.
intimidated by the fact
Yeah,
that
I
you just
get
have
it.
to say a different number at the end of the phone call. That's it. Literally, the worst case scenario is the person
Yeah.
says no. It's not like you can't change the price back.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true. Okay. Yeah, that basically solves my issue, Alex. Thank you.
Glad I could help.
All right. Bye-bye.
Have a good one, man. You were a sport. I appreciate you. All right, later, man.